Most people want to earn online, but few truly understand how affiliate marketing actually works. They hear the word passive income and think it's a shortcut, but affiliate marketing isn't a shortcut, it's a system built on trust. You have probably seen those posts. I made $500 in my sleep, start affiliate marketing with zero effort. Sounds dreamy, right? But here's the truth. Anything that looks effortless is hiding years of effort underneath. When I first heard about affiliate marketing, I thought, oh, you just post a link and money magically appears. But then reality hit. Affiliate marketing isn't about links, it's about bridges. You become the bridge between a problem and its solution, between a product and a person, and that bridge only stands if it's built with trust. Let's break this down slowly. First, why affiliate marketing exists. Businesses need buyers, buyers need clarity. Affiliate marketers stand in the middle, helping people decide with honesty. That's why I called affiliates digital connectors, not digital sellers. Second, the psychology behind affiliate income. You don't sell a product, you recommend what you genuinely believe in. Think about it. When your friend asks which course helped you learn design or which book improved your mindset, and you share something that worked for you, that's affiliate marketing in its purest form. Third, active with passive income. Affiliate income starts active. You learn, build content, test strategies, but once your systems are in place, that work keeps working for you. So it's not do nothing and earn. It's do it once, do it right, and let it repeat. 4. Debunking the myths. Let's clear a few illusions that trap beginners. Myth 1. It's quick money. No, it's consistent money built over time. Myth 2. No skill required. You need communication, storytelling, and patience. Myth 3. It's a scam. Scams exist, but affiliate marketing itself is a $12 billion legitimate industry backed by top brands. 5. Skills that actually matter. Not fancy editing, not thousands of followers. The skills that convert are clarity, communication, and consistency. If you can explain simply, speak honestly, and show up steadily, you will outperform those chasing trends. 6. Affiliate with MLM with reselling. MLM says build a downline. Reselling says buy low, sell high. Affiliate marketing says add value, earn trust, and then earn commission. That's ownership. You own your message, not someone's structure. Let me give you an image. Imagine Sarah. She loves digital planning. She joins a program that lets her share her favorite productivity tools. Every time she creates a short tutorial or posts a pin helping people plan their day better, people trust her. They click her link not because she begged, but because she helped first. That's the quick power of affiliate marketing. No cold DMs, no fake hype, just value, and then trust, and then income. Core lessons. 1. Affiliate marketing is about service before sales. 2. The bridge you build with trust is your true income stream. 3. Skills beat shortcuts, always. 4. The moment you stop chasing quick wins and start mastering fundamentals, you stop being another beginner and start becoming a digital creator. So if you understand the foundation, you will stop falling for shortcuts. Because every strong brand, every consistent earner started right here by mastering the basics. In the next 9 weeks, we will go deeper into mindset, tools, systems, and the calm power of quit selling. So stay tuned because this is just the beginning of your quit digital empire. Thank you.